Hi, this is Ryan Blair at Halo Inc. and we are continuing our vehicle wrap design template tutorial. And so right now we have all the main panels for the vehicle. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the window perf. So we do a 3-inch bleed on tailgates and all side perfs, or all perf. So the first thing we're going to do is put it to the furthest point on the window, drop in a guide there. Go to the lowest point of the window, drop in a guide, go to the tallest point of the window, drop in a guide, and so we're going to do this window and this window as one piece, and then I'm going to do this last window as a separate piece. Okay, so now we have the shape that we want, so we'll go ahead and drop that in. So that's basically going to be that window. And what we can do is we just turn it into a stroke so we can see the other window. And again, we're going to do the highest point, furthest right, furthest left, and the lowest point of the window, like so. And now we could just go ahead and draw out that shape as well. And now we are good. And at this point, what we're going to do is go ahead and flip all those to strokes for our install proof. And if you go to the layers, we've already filled out all the vehicle information. So we're going to do a Control-Alt-E, and we're going to do the proof, and we're going to set that to 0.5 because that's going to be a huge JPEG. And we're also going to do the PDF, and we could go ahead and export the artboard, and what that's going to do is override our design file, so that way we have these in here, so if we do need to come back and make adjustments to it, all the work's already been done and we have a JPEG for our install proof. So at this point, we are ready to start separating for output. And how we're going to do that is by using artboards. So we're going to use the artboard tool, just Shift O, and now we're going to start from left to right, basically how the installer would install it. And so with our artboard tool, Shift O, we're going to click on our first measuring unit, piece of material, whatever. And we're just going to click on it, and you can see it create a new artboard. And so we're just going to go down the line, turning all of those strokes into artboards, and then we'll come back and we'll do the window perfs as well. So now that is set up, we could go ahead and turn off the guides, we could turn off the template, and we could turn off the bleed. And you can see that this is what we're going to output. So now, with all these artboards set, all we need to do is copy our first artboard name, paste it in the second place, and since it's a print file, we do P-1 right before wrap, and this becomes tile 1. So where it says T, we're going to change that to T1. Copy this, paste it to the next one, that becomes T2. Next one becomes T3. Next one becomes T4. And now we're going to the perf. So this one is going to be T5, but we're going to change wrap to perf. That way whoever's printing this knows that this panel gets printed on perf. And so we're going to go ahead and copy that, and we are going to do it again. So then it is tile 6. Okay, so now we're ready to output. All we do is Control-Alt-E, and we're going to turn off the first artboard because we don't need that. That is our overall artboard. We're going to turn off the JPEG. We don't need a JPEG for that. We're going to go ahead and click on Export to, and we're going to change it to the production folder and select it, and then hit Export Artboard, and that side is good to go. Thanks for watching.